This is Kevin from Reese Roofing at 49 Goldstar Drive in Princeton, New Jersey, doing an inspection on this roof for travelers. I read the Seek Now report, and then I came up here and I looked at the roof, and I see a lot of discrepancies. For one, they listed that there were only 7 damaged shingles on the front slope. I have found 37, and that's only the ones that I found. I found 3 on the left, 4 on the right, and then on the back he listed none were damaged, and I found 40. Now I know there's algae on here, so maybe that's why he couldn't find them, but some of them are pretty apparent. Like that one is pretty close to being apparent. You know, they are a little, but they are there, and they are sporadic throughout the roof. Also on this backside there were prior repairs, and those prior repairs caused damage to the shingles above them. Pretty significant damage from these repairs. And even on this one I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this lower back. I did look through the Seek Now report, and I noticed that there was pictures of some architectural elevations. This roof does not have any architectural shingles, so I'm not sure, maybe the Seek Now guy confused this address with another house, but there is no architectural shingles on this roof. We are going to do a repair attempt on this shingle, and we're going to see how that goes. I don't know if you saw the shingles above it, but this is them before the repair. these are the shingles above, midway through. You could already see that there is damage forming on these shingles. Even on this one right up here, you see some right there. A little bit of creasing forming right here. And that was just from taking the nails out. So, after the repair, with all these creases forming on the shingles, creases forming along the top, just like you had on the back repair. Additionally, you can't reuse the nail holes that we previously used, so now there's additional holes in these shingles, because when we pry out the nails, we cannot reuse them because they're too big after the fact. So now there are additional holes here, and these shingles above it won't be able to reseal back down, which will then lead to further issues in the future. Based on the condition of these shingles, I don't believe these shingles are repairable. By doing one repair, you would be causing damage to the surrounding shingles, and that would be a domino effect, because before the storm, that damage around those shingles wasn't there, and it shouldn't be there after the repair. Essentially, by repairing one shingle, you're damaging 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tabs, and so it's a 1 to 7 ratio. I don't think that's, you should be causing 7 additional damage for every one you repair. So in my professional opinion, this roof should be replaced, not repaired.